Tanea, good to have you here. I mean, I guess Bitcoin doesn't always need a specific driver to make new highs, but what's behind this move?
I mean, I really think it got a boost from the tech rally that we saw on Wednesday. I think that pushed it to that $110,000 level that's been so difficult for it to push past this year. That, of course, triggered this huge wave of, short liquidations that just kind of sent the price higher and higher for the rest of the week. And then, of course, yesterday, the biggest day this year for Bitcoin ETF inflows, over $1 billion we saw. So this, of course, this trend that we've been seeing, Bitcoin, I think, traders a little frustrated with how stagnant it's been, but it really has been supported. It stayed above $100,000 for more than 60 days. The corporate buys, the ETF inflows, and I think this really started back in April, the middle of April, which marks both, the rebound in crypto from the market low that was driven by the initial tariff announcement, as well as, when President Trump began to put the pressure on Fed Chair Jerome Powell, calling for hinting at his, quote, potential termination. So I think rates really a focus for Bitcoin here, while brighter, shinier things kind of take place in the rest of crypto world. I think it's going to be interesting to see the Fed meeting at the end of the month to see, what happens to Bitcoin ahead of then. If it finds a floor or if it rallies after that. Yeah, tech up and rates down is probably a pretty good formula in general for Bitcoin. And then you've seen the outperformance relative to gold, which sort of defines the Bitcoin's character as well. Right? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. All right, Tanea, thanks so much.